Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file and then wish there was a way to get it back? Well, I found a tool that can actually help you recover lost data in just a matter of minutes, whether it's something you deleted by mistake, lost files after a format, or even from a system crash. This method works in all kinds of situations. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. I've got this folder here. It's full of video overlays that I use in most of my edits. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to send it straight to the recycle bin. And yes, let's empty it too. Now, if I open up the bin, you can see it's completely gone. To recover the deleted folder, now we'll be using a tool called EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. It's a tool that can recover almost any type of data loss, and it's available to download on Mac too. To get the setup file, just click on Free Trial and it will start downloading. Installing the software is pretty easy, so I'll leave it to you. When you open the software for the first time, you'll see an interface like this. It'll automatically detect all the internal drives available on your PC. Now, to start recovering your files, you first need to select the location where the data was lost from. In my case, I deleted the folder from the recycle bin, so that's what I'm going with. Once that's selected, go ahead and click on this blue button, and the software will begin scanning. What it's doing here is scanning every bit of recoverable data from that location, even the ones you may have deleted on purpose. Depending on your system and drive size, this process might take some time. Now take a look. It found around 2 gigabytes of data, which includes nearly 300,000 files. That's a lot to go through manually. I'll just use the search bar to narrow it down. Just make sure you remember the file or folder name, or at least part of it, for the search to work. And there it is. Our deleted folder has been found. If I open it up, you can see all 3 videos are fully intact. What's great is that you can even preview the files before recovery, so you know exactly what you're bringing back without any guesswork. Now that we've found the data, it's time to recover it. Just select the folder by checking this box, and then hit Recover. The software will ask you to choose a destination to save the files. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Save. It'll automatically recover and save the files for you. Now, if I open up the folder, you can see the videos have been recovered successfully. Let me open one for you, just to make sure it's running properly. And yes, it works perfectly. So, the tool does exactly what it promises. But the thing is, it's not completely free. They do offer a free version, which lets you recover up to 2 gigabytes of data. But if you need to recover more than that, you'll have to buy the full version. The good thing is, they have a special student offer going on, where you can get the lifetime license for just $90. And that's it, guys, for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.